Hey everyone, welcome to Vet Visit. I'm Dr. Hansika Singh and I'm a veterinarian. We all have some misconceptions about certain things in life. Like I used to believe everyone in veterinary college would be an animal lover, but in actuality it wasn't true. So if you're following me on Instagram, I had put up a post asking you all to send me what misconceptions did you have about veterinary or veterinary colleges, and we do have a couple of responses, so let's quickly go through them to find out what are the common misconceptions that veterinary students have about veterinary. Let's get started. The first one is, I used to believe everyone joined by their own choice but then realized they didn't get MBBS seat. Well, that is true that most of the students you would meet would say that they're into veterinary college because they didn't get MBBS seat. But having said that, there would also be students whose first choice is veterinary, and if you're one of them, then comment down below and let me know. Now moving on, veterinary syllabus is easy as compared to MBBS. Okay, so clearly a lot of students had this misconception. I don't know how and where does it come from, because we have to study so much about different species of animals in such a limited time. But anyway, if you think that you can clear the exams in veterinary college without studying anything, that's clearly not the case. It's a fair game. If you study, you clear it. If you don't, you won't. Veterinarians are not scared of animals. Okay, fair enough. If you are seeing a veterinary doctor treating an animal, you would not be expecting him to be getting scared of that animal, right? But yes, there are veterinary doctors in fact who are scared of animals. So let's understand this, that before joining veterinary, there are students who actually have a fear of animals. But joining a veterinary college does not assure you that your fear will go away. No. This is something that you have to work on yourself, and it won't go away overnight or automatically. Okay, so yes, gradually this fear goes away. But yes, I have met veterinarians who are scared of animals, but most of them are related to animal science subjects or non-clinical subjects. That is, their work does not involve dealing with animals directly. That in veterinary college we will only study medicine and clinical knowledge. Well, yes, in veterinary we don't just study about animals' body or treatment aspect of animals. In fact, I have made an entire separate video about it, and you can check that out if you haven't. That we're gonna get exposure right from the first year. Well, sad but true. As per our curriculum, you won't start attending your animal patients right from your first year, because in first year you're mainly taught about the basics of animals' body, which is later going to help you in your third and fourth year when you start attending clinics. But if you're very keen in getting some kind of clinical exposure right from your first year, then you can start attending your college clinic at the weekends. Like this, you will not only gain some exposure, but also your interest in this field will also grow and enhance. Everyone loves animals there. So in veterinary college, we have different kinds of people in terms of their behavior towards animals. You will meet people who do not like animals. Also, there are people who like animals but are scared of them. You would also come across people who actually love animals and are actively involved in rescuing them or in the treatment aspect. Or there are some people who are just apathetic towards animals. You'll definitely come across at least one type of each of these people, but definitely do not enter into veterinary college thinking that everyone you meet will be an animal lover. I thought veterinary college would be dominated by boy students, but we have equal number of girls too. In fact, in my class, girls outnumbered boys, and our professors used to tell us that when they were students, the ratio of boys were more as compared to girls. Now you would see that the ratio is either equal, or in fact girls are more than boys. I thought the subjects would be very less, but it turned out to be completely opposite. There are approximately 18 subjects. So yes, we do have a lot to study. That everyone there will protest against animal abuses. Again, sad but true. Most definitely, you will come across students who will stand very strongly against any form of animal abuse or cruelty that they come across. But contrary to our belief, most of the students there can be indifferent towards it. That everyone will stop eating meat because they'll feel bad or something. I completely understand this, but eating meat or not is a very personal choice and we really cannot comment on it. But yes, I have met people who have turned into vegetarians after joining veterinary. Okay, so by this we've come to the end of this video, and if you're a veterinary aspirant and you haven't joined veterinary college yet, I think you can definitely relate to this video and it must have helped you clear out your myths or misconceptions that you must have had about veterinary college. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to share it, and if you're new to Vet Visit, then please consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon while you're subscribing. Follow the Instagram and Facebook page of Vet Visit as well. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourselves and keep loving animals like you always do.